DynaMed Decisions offers evidence-based tools that enable providers to deliver effective, patient-centered, and personalized care. In this tutorial, we will provide you with an overview of the robust features and functionality of DynaMed Decisions. DynaMed Decisions tools offer full-spectrum clinical decision support, ranging from complex clinical scenarios, where the tools can alleviate information and decision burdens from time-pressured clinicians, to preference-sensitive patient decisions, where shared decision-making is key. Where applicable, they are personalized to evaluate a patient's individual risk profile and provide customized clinical guidance. To begin browsing, click Tools in the toolbar. You can also search for tools by entering your keywords in the search box and clicking the magnifying glass. On the Tools screen, click to expand a category to display the available tools. Click the Info icon to display information about the tool, including purpose and patient eligibility. Click a title in the list to open a tool. For this demonstration, we'll look at a tool that offers both individualized clinical guidance and shared decision-making support. If your selected tool takes patient information, enter that information and click View Assessment and Guidance. Note: fields that include an asterisk are required fields. The Assessment and Clinical Guidance sections display personalized information resulting from appraisal and synthesis of the best available evidence and guidelines. When ready to move on, click View Patient Options to begin reviewing the shared decision-making content. Click the Edit icon in the Data Summary column to update any of the data you entered. You can click an information icon to view more details about each assessment value. Select a treatment option on the Key Data screen to view the treatment outcomes for those patients with the previously selected criteria. Tools with a Key Data page will also have an option to change between 100 and 1,000 people, and some tools have additional viewing options. Click Patient Chart Note to display a clinician note to be copied and pasted into a patient's medical record. Click the Option Grid tab to view the Option Grid Decision Aid for the selected condition. Option Grid Patient Decision Aids focus on the questions patients most frequently ask when they need to make preference-sensitive decisions. The tools can be quickly shared via link or PDF pre-visit, so the patient can arrive prepared. You can also display a QR code to share the information with your patient during their visit. As you view the decision aid, you can click the X in a column header to hide treatment options you do not wish to view. You can also use the Show Hide drop-down menu to show or hide the treatment option columns. Click the View drop-down menu to toggle between the grid view or the list view of the decision aid. At any time, you can click the Help link at the bottom of the screen to access help information, FAQs, and tutorials on EBSCO Connect.